How to reset Google password if forgotten on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can reset Google password if forgotten. So without further ado, let's get started. So in your Android device, launch the Google application and in the search bar type in Google Recovery. Then head towards the first link, that is how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Once you land on this page, here scroll down a bit, and under forgot password there is a link that says recover your Google account or Gmail. Tap on the link. That will take you to this page. Here it says account recovery. So here you have to enter the account that you want to reset the password. Then tap on next. Since we have forgotten the password and we want to recover, scroll down a bit, then tap on try another way. Here it says Google confirmed this phone is yours. That means I have signed in to this device before, so simply tap on continue. But if you don't have access to your phone, tap on try another way. In there you will have an option or method to get the verification code in your Gmail account. So by the verification code you can also continue. So here simply tap on continue. Now you can update your password. Simply tap on update password and then you can create a new password. Once you're done creating a password, tap on save password and then tap on change password. And with that, we have reset the Google password. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.